What up guys, Jay the Monster here with Easy Blaze Shaving Products. I'm going to show you how to do a high fade with a number one on top with the grain. Let's get it. I'm going to start off here with my number one guard closed, going with the direction of his hair pattern, is also known as going with the grain. I got my 1.5 guard out to hit the calic area against the grain to make everything even. Right now I'm starting my initial guideline. You want to make sure your guidelines are as clean as possible so you don't lose yourself within the process of the fade. I'm just going to the other side to complete my guideline. You can use the mirror or step in front of the client to make sure both sides are the same. Starting off with my wall magic clips, no guard, all the way open to create my half guideline. For my next step, I will close my lever all the way, working halfway up in a scooping motion. Now I move my lever halfway to work my way up. Now I have my number one guard. I'm going to start another guideline with my lever all the way open. Make sure you guys are going against the grain while you're fading. Sometimes the hair pattern changes throughout the fade. After I'm done using my number one guard, I'm going to go to my half guard and I'm going to start with it all the way closed and then open halfway. As you see, I like to brush the client's hair or comb. It helps me see where I'm at. Now I have my 1.5 guard. I'm going to use it around the crown area and I'm going to work my way down. Once you finish these steps, you can go ahead and play with it a little bit. You know, if you missed a spot or you want to touch up another spot, that's what cutting hair is all about. You have to have that eye. Now the same steps I did on the other side, I'm going to repeat on this side.
I'm using Easy Blade shaving gel on the mustache and the chin area. Usually the mustache is the most sensitive area. Alright, I'm using my Easy Blade hair gel. Give you a nice clean finish, no alcohol, no sulfur, leaving no damage.